Well, here we are, last day of September, and the factory is coming through again. We've got a truckload of new Subarus sitting here, waiting for new homes. Well, mostly all new Subarus. We'll be getting at least a couple of them, I'm sure. If you are waiting for a vehicle that was due in either September or maybe early October, keep an eye on your phones, emails, texts, because we will be reaching out to the new owners shortly to let them know that your cars have arrived, and we'll get them cleaned up and ready for delivery. Keep in mind, we are able to accept orders for vehicles, take deposits on inbound units because they are so hard to come by. We've had multiple people on the same cars over the last few days because of the limited inventory, and we'd hate to see you miss out on a vehicle because you weren't quite sure if you were ready or not, and the person that was thinking about it yesterday is buying today while other people are thinking about it to come back tomorrow. Don't mind that Mazda up there, that one's nothing to worry about. But new Subarus available, some for us, maybe some for other stores. We'll find out here shortly exactly how many we're getting, and we'll be calling the new owners to let them know that they're here. Beautiful World Rally Blue WRX. Also, our express lane has expanded hours Tuesday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. The last oil change will start around 7 or 6:30 p.m. So we do ask that you're in before then. First thing in the morning and towards the end of the evening, we are generally the slowest. So if you are waiting for an oil change and don't have time because you're at work during the middle of the day, well, don't worry. We have expanded hours to help you out Tuesday through Friday. If you have any questions about it, you can reach out to our service team, 208-734-8860, 208-734-8860. And just because inventory has been so short, wanted to give a quick tour of some of the vehicles that we have available, certified pre-owned and otherwise. Got a bunch of Foresters, Forester Sports, XT, which is the older turbo model of the Forester right here. We have a great selection of certified pre-owned Outbacks available. Some non-certified, but a really, really good selection of pre-owned Subarus for you and your family. While new cars are tough to come by, we do have a great selection of used if you want to just look down at that ever-growing line of vehicles. People wonder how we have so much inventory. Well, we don't have it by paying too little for trades. We're definitely putting a true actual cash value on the vehicles. You can either sell us your car or trade it to us. It's going to be the exact same dollar amount. We don't play games with trade values, with the trade value changing based on which car you're looking at. It's going to be the same no matter which vehicle you look at, which makes it easy for you to do your shopping. If Outback isn't for you, we've got Imprezas, Legacies, Crosstreks, wide selection of Crosstreks, including the beautiful Sunshine Orange. Silver with a lift, wheels, basket. Silver without lift, wheels, basket. WRXs, STI. This one's a 2018 STI. Stock wheels, has the Perrin wing risers, moonroof deflector. Beautiful, beautiful car. WRX with some rain guards. I mean, we have a selection of vehicles. We've seen people have frustrations not being able to find the car they're looking for. There's not much selection. As you can see, while we do have holes from all the cars we've been selling, we do have a great selection still. Look, more Sunshine Orange. That was the popular color before they discontinued it and brought out the cool gray khaki. So you still have time to own one of those beautiful cars. Need something a little bigger? Well, we have a good selection of Ascents available as well. You can view all of our inventory at twinfalls-subaru.com. twinfalls-subaru.com. When you see something you like, you can call 208-734-8860. That's 208-734-8860. Not necessarily looking for Subarus? Well, we've got BMWs, Chevys, Jeeps, Fords, Hyundai, Ford, Chevy, Honda, Mazda, Dodge, Ford. We've got a really great selection of a great variety of vehicles for people to check out. SUVs, sedans, all-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, even a 2019 Hyundai Kona, 2019 Sorento. You know, we've got a great selection, and not looking to spend that much. We have a 2011 HHR. Still has plenty of room for moving stuff. Manual transmission, automatics. We have what you're looking for. That's twinfalls-subaru.com, twinfalls-subaru.com, or 208-734-8860. And if you're just joining us, we do have our expanded hours for express service. So if you need an oil change outside the regular hours, get out of work a little bit late, our express team is here from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Tuesday through Friday. We do ask that the final oil change patrons be in line by 6:30, just so that we can make sure everything's going good. We do work on most makes and models, so if you have something not Subaru and you'd like to come in, while you don't need an appointment, if you would like to call ahead, let us know the VIN, make, model of your vehicle. We can make sure to have the oil and filters ready for your vehicle, so you don't have to wait as long. We want to make your visit as quick and express service availability as possible, if that's actually English, I don't know. Again, you can check us out at twinfalls-subaru.com, located at 1725 Park View in beautiful, sunny Twin Falls, Idaho.